Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a curious young inventor named Tim. Tim loved tinkering with gadgets and gizmos, always eager to learn how things worked. Intrigued by this mysterious find, Tim decided to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of the infrared sensor. With his trusty sidekick, a robotic dog named Sparky, by his side, Tim set out on his adventure. Their first stop was the local library, where they dove into books about electronics and sensors. Tim learned that an infrared sensor, also known as an IR sensor, detects infrared radiation, a type of electromagnetic radiation invisible to the human eye but present in all objects. Tim and Sparky rushed back home to begin their experiments. They set up a simple circuit with the IR sensor connected to a light bulb. Tim explained to Sparky that when an object with a temperature above absolute zero, like a human hand, comes close to the sensor, it emits infrared radiation. The sensor then detects this radiation and triggers the light bulb to turn on. Tim waved his hand in front of the sensor, and like magic, the light bulb illuminated. Sparky wagged his tail in excitement, understanding how the IR sensor worked. But Tim wasn't satisfied with just turning on a light bulb. He wanted to create something more interactive. So, he brainstormed and came up with a brilliant idea: a motion-activated doorbell. Using the IR sensor, a microcontroller, and some creativity, Tim designed a doorbell that chimed whenever someone approached the front door. He explained to Sparky how the IR sensor detected motion by sensing changes in the infrared radiation emitted by moving objects. As the sun set on their successful day of exploration and discovery, Tim realized that learning about the infrared sensor wasn't just about understanding how it worked but also about using that knowledge to create something useful and fun. From that day on, Tim and Sparky continued to explore the fascinating world of electronics, always eager to learn and discover new things. And as for the infrared sensor,